Spark plug's in a 2009 Honda Civic with a 1.8 liter, and a lot of whatever generation this is with the 1.8s are going to be about the same. So now the first thing you want to do is unplug your ignition coil here. That one came off pretty good, but some of them might not come off too well, and so you want to take a screwdriver and just kind of lift up on it a little bit on a tab here, then pull it out, which is a horse apiece. But then you're gonna want to take a 10 mil socket to take the coil out. Come off pretty good. So now I'm using what size is this? This is a 5/8 that works socket. This one has a magnet in it, so it really helps if you can find one with a magnet in. And just loosen it up. Should be able to spin pretty good. And see, you got your spark plug out here and whatnot. Some people put grease on them and stuff like that. That's up to you. I usually don't, but you can if you want. So now we're gonna get the other new plug. So now I have the new plug, and like I'm saying, this socket's pretty nice. It's magnetic. So what I do is put it on here first, and it'll stay on there. And the first thing, always stick it in there and just kind of let it loosely by hand thread in itself, so you don't cross thread anything. And then you can put your socket on there. You don't want to torque these down too tight. Just give them a good snug. Looser is better than risking breaking the spark plug in the head, but just a little bit, a little snug like that. Then get your plug in, put your coil back in. Just press her down in there. Put your 10 volt back on. And then make sure this coil snaps in like that, and that's how you put a spark plug in a 1.8 Honda.